welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be pouring my top 5 K-drama recommendations to all you guys. Now people who are already K-drama watchers, you might skip this video, but then again if you want to know what my recommendations are, because now you all are like pros in this K-drama culture, you might watch till the end. But people who have just started thinking which drama to select, from where to start, then this video is the one for you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with my recommendations. Let's start from number 5, that is Playful Kiss, my first drama, and after I watched it, literally my journey began from there. That's jazz. If you want some high school love that turns into a clumsy love story, this drama, you need to watch it, guys. This drama is just like a fan fiction where the girl falls in love with the boy who is like damn care, is intelligent, top student of the school, university, while it's the exact opposite case in her. So the boy falls in love with the girl's clumsiness but does not react on it. Like, yeah, you understand, right? So yeah, you need to watch it. I won't give you much spoiler about this. Moving on to number 4, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Now this drama includes a very strong mental health issue. You will get to know it while you're watching the drama, but of course with comedy, romance, and a little bit of mystery, I would say. It literally revolves around the vice president and his patient secretary who is working under him from the last 9 years. Of course without knowing her boss's real identity to her. But it takes a turn when she wants to leave the job for herself, and that's basically where the real drama starts. You guys need to watch this drama. It's a very beautiful drama with lots of mysteries. Moving on to number 4, and that is Oh My Ghost. This drama is about a girl who is very underconfident, lacks in everything. She is Park Bo-young, by the way. Lacks in everything, not in real life but in this drama, and basically is possessed by a young woman's ghost, a spirit who was a virgin. I mean, basically she died as a virgin. It revolves around 3 people basically, the girl Park Bo-young, the spirit, the ghost, and the boss, her Park Bo-young's boss, who is a famous chef. It includes lots of mysteries, lots of spirits, ghosts, and of course a little bit of romance, but in a comedy way, if I have to say. The girl keeps lurking around the boss to have sex with her, as the spirit who is possessed, she thought that she died and is still there between people because she could not fulfill this thing of her. So yeah, but the chef keeps on rejecting her, so it's like fun to watch, but also is emotional, because you'll get to know when you watch it, okay? But let's move on to number 2, and that is my most favorite, which made it to my top 2 list, and that is Hotel Del Luna. This drama has the famous solo artist Ji Yoon, popularly known as IU, yes, Jungkook's idol crush. So basically Hotel Del Luna is a place where dead people or people who have died can stay before crossing the bridge to afterlife, mostly fulfill their wishes or revenges that they could not do or could not fulfill when they were alive. This drama is a perfect mixture of horror, spirits, ghosts, past life, love that has no boundaries, and of course anger of IU. A little bit of comedy but lots of emotions as well. Moving on to number 1, my top most favorite, and I can watch this drama literally anytime, anywhere, and that is Strong Woman Do Bong Soon. This drama is very funny but also mixed with lots of crimes and mysteries. Of course, if I have to say one sentence about this drama, then that is harassing young girls or women. That is the key of this drama, okay? But also it's like fairy tale because the female lead protects the male lead as his bodyguard. She is super strong, can just break your finger like doing this. Yeah, like doing this. She can just literally break your finger like doing this. I love this drama. It's very cute to watch this drama, you know, because Park Bo-young, she's so tiny yet so cute, yet it's only the opposite in this drama because she's super strong. Yeah, I love to watch this drama. But anyways, these were my top 5 recommendations for you to start, for you to fall in love in this K-drama culture. After watching these 5 dramas, you need not need to you know, come to me, get recommended by me, because you will know yourself what drama to watch. Like if you have noticed, I'm in love with supernatural dramas, especially horror supernatural dramas. Yeah, I love this kind of dramas. Anyways, this is the part 1. I can make it like a series if you want me to. Do comment down below if you want me to make another parts of this video, if you want to know my recommendations, because trust me, I do watch a lot of dramas. Trust me on that. Mera net wahi pe jata hai. So until then, I'm gonna see you on my next video. But before that, please like this video agar recommendations अच्छे लगे हो, and do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so you do not miss any of my videos whenever I upload. And yeah, annyeong.